Welcome to Boot Security. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to successfully accept and complete an alarm response using the BootsGuard app. To receive an alarm response on the BootsGuard app, you must have a valid Ontario driving license and a registered vehicle. These must be uploaded and approved in the app. Once approved, you're eligible to receive alarm responses. Now, let's ensure you never miss an alarm notification by adjusting some basic settings on your phone. For iOS devices, go to the Settings app, then the Apps section. Open the Boot Security app, go to Notifications, and change the banner style from temporary to persistent. You can also enable Announce Notifications to have your phone announce whenever there's an available shift or alarm response. For Android users, long press the app icon, go to App Info, select Notifications, and make sure they're enabled. Voila! You're all set to receive alarm responses on your phone. Accepting an alarm response. When an alarm is available, you'll receive a notification on your phone. Tap the notification to open the app. You'll be greeted with an emergency alert pop-up offering options to view or cancel. Click View to see the address and estimated travel time. You have 60 seconds to accept the alarm or it will be sent to someone else. Review the details, then click Accept to be assigned to the alarm. Congratulations, you've successfully accepted your first alarm. Now, let's make sure you have everything you need to complete the alarm response. Ensure you have your reflective vest, tactical flashlight, and vehicle strobe light with you. You can watch our video on how to set up your vehicle strobe light if needed. Once you've accepted the alarm, start moving towards the location immediately. Keep the app open at all times during the alarm. You have 2 minutes to start moving, or the alarm will be canceled and you won't be paid for it. Remember to follow all driving rules and respect road conditions. When you arrive on site, visually inspect the area to ensure everything is safe and secure. Once you're confident, exit your vehicle and click Continue on the app. Next, it's time to complete the report. Click Start Report and answer the simple questions. Once you've arrived at the site, the first step is to ensure that everything appears safe and secure. This is crucial for both your safety and the accuracy of your report. Initial inspection. Start by visually inspecting the entire area. Look for any signs of unusual activity or potential security breaches, such as broken windows, forced doors, or unfamiliar vehicles parked nearby. If you notice anything suspicious, be cautious and consider contacting supervisor or contacting law enforcement if necessary. Once you're confident that it's safe to proceed, click Continue on the BootsGuard app to move to the reporting phase. Now it's time to start your report. The app will guide you through a series of questions that you need to answer based on your on-site inspection. The first question asks, any signs of break-in? Thoroughly inspect the site for any evidence of forced entry. If everything looks normal, select No and click Next. If you find signs of a break-in, select Yes and proceed accordingly. The next question is about the front door. Is the front door secured? Physically check the front door to ensure it's locked and undamaged. If it's secure, select Yes and take 5 clear photos of the front door and its surrounding area. This visual documentation is crucial for your report. After the front door, you'll be asked about the back door. Is the back door secured? Again, check if it's locked and intact. If the back door is secure, select Yes and take 5 photos. If there's no back door, simply select Not Applicable. If it's not secure, select No and contact supervisor. Next, the app will inquire about the side door security. Repeat the same process. Check if it's locked and secure, then take 5 photos if it is. Ensure you document everything clearly for the report. Finally, the app will ask if all windows are secured. Inspect each window to ensure it's locked and undamaged. If everything is in order, take clear photos of all windows and proceed to the next step. In addition to checking doors and windows, it's important to inspect the perimeter of the building. Look for any signs of tampering, such as cut fences or suspicious objects. Take photos of the entire perimeter, ensuring all angles are covered. Once you've answered all the questions and taken the necessary photos, the app will prompt you to submit the report. Review everything to ensure accuracy, then click Submit Report. After submitting the report, you are clear to leave the site. Ensure that you've documented everything thoroughly and that your report is complete. If you encounter any issues or have doubts at any step, don't hesitate to contact your supervisor immediately. In case of an emergency, you can quickly call 911 directly from the Boots Guard app. Your safety is our top priority. Congratulations on successfully completing your first alarm response with Boots Security. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Now you know everything needed to complete your first alarm response. Hope you have an amazing day. Bye and stay safe.